Okay, so I'm back with another video. So guys, if you're just a beginner Therian, just type in how to practice a Therian jump, because I know how. So as you know, I'm a Therian now. My first video was on I forgot. My first video, I was a people in that video. Now I am a Therian, half Therian and half fairy. Not a furry, it's a fairy. Fairy. Fairy, not furry. So I have a tail. I'm just gonna get this out on my butt, because it will be wet because I'm sweating. Wait, I'll just turn on the electric fan. Okay, there. Okay. So, guys, wait. So, I'm gonna get water. The first step is get a water because if you're tired, you're gonna need water. So I'm gonna get one. This is super cold because we have a water dispenser. So I really have a bad snot. Yeah. So the first one is get water, because if you're really sweaty or if you're really tired practicing this Therian jump, you'll just get water. But if you're tired, you're so tired, you need to get water, but you didn't prepare water, then you're gonna be angry and tell your dad or mom to get the water. I thought I had my tail on. Okay, so the second step is practice doing this, guys. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Step 2 is to do like this. Okay. Then step 3, practice landing without falling your face on the floor or on the bed, because I'm on the bed. Ow! I almost hurted my ankle. Wait. Okay, so guys, do like this, like I said to you earlier. So practice doing this without falling on your face. Then once you're done with that, practice doing this on a pillow, or if you have a string, then do it on a string. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I did it. Then do like this. Okay? And then if you're done with that practicing, do a half handstand. Like this. Or if you want a higher jump, do like this. Yeah, like that. Wait, I'll just do it again. Cause I want higher jumps. 3, 2, 1. It's a little bit. Okay. It's a little bit of a handstand. Wait. 1, 2, 3. I cannot do it. Okay. This is a good position. 3, 2, 1. I cannot do it. Oh, I almost made it. Okay. Wait, guys, my mom is calling me. What? Wait, I'm not done yet. Okay. So if you're done with the half handstand, then practice on the pillow. Then if you want to protect your chest or chin, just do like this or this. Okay? Then put it all together. Wait, I'm just gonna turn here because I'm gonna hit my forehead on the floor. Okay. 3, 2, 1. I'm ready. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yay! I did it! Comment if you did it, guys. 3, 2. Oh wait, I forgot. 3, 2, 1. Okay. So bye, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. Oh, I mean, don't forget to drink your water. Bye.